Hi friends, today I will discuss fogging and one specific fogger machine, that is FOGJET. FOGJET is a microbiologist's choice and recommended fogger machine. In this video, I will discuss what is fogging, what is the use of fogging, what are the facilities available in FOGJET machine. So, let's start. What is fogging? Fogging is fog that is seen when a mass of water vapor is discharged from a cooling tower into air that is already saturated with water droplets. FOGJET is the most advanced, electrically operated ULV fogger for aerial disinfection systems. It breaks the disinfectant solution into very fine particles and then discharges the same into the surrounding air that maintains contacts with the microorganisms present in the environment for long time duration and kills all the airborne bacteria, fungus and their spores. It eliminates the risk of cross-contamination. Now, what is the use of fogging? Fogging is used for the cleaning and disinfecting medium to large areas, with accuracy and a high degree of killing unseen pathogens in hidden areas, which is challenging. This process does not kill germs completely but helps to reduce their numbers and the risk of spreading infection. The area of interest are hospitals, OT, ICU, general wards and dental clinics. In pharmaceuticals industries, production area, injectable area and clean room area. In microbiology and tissue culture laboratories. In food processing and dairy industry and hatcheries, animal houses. Now, what are the facilities available in FOGJET machine? The facilities available in FOGJET machine are listed as follows. FOGJET machine is portable and can disinfect spaces in the shortest possible time, reducing cost and providing the best coverage. FOGJET machine has 360-degree rotation, helps to increase the uniform coverage of large area room. Validation of aerial treatment becomes easier, reliable and more effective. FOGJET has advanced SS nozzle for generating sub-microns particles with uniform, covering entire area. FOGJET has digital timer to set the precise time for fogging, which include delayed start with auto-off operation. FOGJET has OL and CE approved powerful motor for maximum thrust and spread. FOGJET also have adjustable flow rate of 0 to 50 milliliters per minute. This machine can cover up to 20,000 cubic feet and more area at a time. This machine has capacity of fog thrust up to 50 feet. The internal parts and body of this FOGJET machine are corrosion resistant. This FOGJET machine is available in both good quality SS body and plastic body. For all these unique facilities, most of the microbiologist, pharmaceutical and hospital peoples are recommended to buy the FOGJET machine. If you want to buy FOGJET, please contact at this number and don't forget to tell the Pharma Awareness name as reference for attractive offer. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.